I taught you that why I were learning that why this night is very important.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
important because it's, this was when like the Quran was sent down.
Quran was sent down. Goodbye. I think it is also it is in the holy month of Ramadan,
Yeah,
and the holy month Ramadan is the month of worship.
yeah. So it's a yeah. So that's why it's called the Night of Glory.
Okay, Sufyan. And now next one. This is a month of worship, and particularly the last 5 days. These are very important for worship. What type of worship? The worship that we do on this night. This is better than the thousand nights. I don't understanding, Sufyan.
You mean that like 32,000 nights? You mean? Because
Okay.
in 1,000 months,
Yes.
there's 32, basically almost 32 days. And when you multiply that, averagely, that's 32,000.
Actually, not 32 in a
Oh,
month. Some of the months,
320,000.
yeah. And actually, this night is better than 1,000 months. Now, 1,000 months is here. Laylatul Qadri khayrum min alf shahr. It is better than 1,000 months. And now, you, why it is better than Sufyan? If you do worship, then it will be better. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, next one, Sufyan. What else you know about this night?
The,
Yes. تنزل الملائكة.
there's some people don't believe the book. Wait, you're asking about the night?
Hmm. Yes,
Oh
Sufyan.
no.
Yes,
Oh no.
yes, Sufyan. What happened next on this night, Sufyan? تنزل الملائكة والروح. Malaika, you know Malaika, Sufyan?
Yeah, تنزل الملائكة والروح بها بإذن ربهم. Yeah, like, من كل أمر. Yeah.
Yes. On this night, the angels come,
Oh
Sufyan.
yeah, the
And
angels part.
good boy. And then why they come, Sufyan?
Mm, because it's a glory night.
Yes, Sufyan. They come because it's a glory night. And what else, Sufyan? You know about it? Why?
Jibreel alayhi salam comes.
Yes, Sufyan. Hazrat Israel alayhi salam comes, and other angels also come. Why they do come, Sufyan?
Huh?
Why they do come, Sufyan? Why they come?
Because it's a glory night.
Yes, Sufyan. They come to calm down the deeds of the people. They come to execute the decreed matter by Allah Almighty. They come to finalize whatever it is decided by Allah Almighty. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
Sufyan. Are you understanding the concept here?
Yeah.
Just why angels come, Sufyan?
Because it's a glory night and to write people's good deeds.
Yes, Sufyan. This is a glory night. Because of that, the angels comes, and now because of that, the angels they come to execute the matter between whatever Allah Almighty has decided to finalize those matters. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Sufyan, this is here. I want you that night, the angels and the Holy Spirit descends by the permission of their Lord for every decreed matter. Okay?
Okay.
The next one, Sufyan. Salamun hiya hatta matla'il al-fajr. What is this, Sufyan?
Uh, they kind of
Yes, salamun
oh,
hiya hatta matla'il al-fajr.
I
Hmm.
don't remember.
Yes, Sufyan.
Uh,
It is actually the same salam peace. Can you read this one and can you understand the idea that salam peace here it is hatta until matla, the emergence al fajr of the dawn, fajr time, fajr morning time. You know, Sufyan.
yeah,
Good boy, Sufyan. Actually, what I want, Sufyan, I want you to understand the concepts. Whatever we are learning, we should